Build stronger relationships and manage your client interactions efficiently with our comprehensive clients module. Simplify client onboarding. Effortlessly add new clients, manage their profiles, and maintain detailed contact information for seamless communication. Create and manage projects for each client, assign tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate efficiently with your team, ensuring project success. Create professional invoices with a few clicks, customize them with your branding, and send them electronically for faster payments. Provide accurate estimates and manage credits efficiently. Generate estimates to clearly communicate project costs to clients beforehand and issue credit notes for returned items or adjustments, ensuring transparency in your financial interactions. Maintain a centralized record of client contacts and send emails directly from the system. Store project-related documents, contracts, or proposals securely within the client profile and utilize internal notes for team collaboration and reference. Leverage ticket and order functionalities. Manage support tickets efficiently and track client orders seamlessly, providing a comprehensive client service experience.